Thank you. Would you then go ahead to introduce yourself to the Senate?
Thank you very much. Honorable members, I am Zipporah Kinya, a member of the County Assembly of Meru, specially elected by the UDA party. Sorry for that. Specially elected by UDA party. I am the deputy leader of the majority party, and I also represent the 817 women and girls of Meru County in the assembly. Thank you.
In respect to this motion, what was your role?
Honorable members, my role in this motion is that I am the mover. I moved this motion in the County Assembly of Meru. I drafted this motion, honorable members, and I felt that there was need to remove the governor of Meru County, Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, from office through impeachment.
In the processes and in your decision to move this motion, were you actuated by malice, ill will, vendetta, or any other motivation as against the governor?
Honorable members, in an attempt to move this motion, I have championed for good governance in Meru County since I joined the County Assembly. I have championed for accountability in Meru County since I joined the County Assembly, and also respect for rule of law. I was guided, honorable members, by the need for the people of Meru to get services and to get the right services, and that's the reason why I moved this motion in the County Assembly of Meru.
That statement you've just made before the House, is it the general perception and view of the entire House, or that is a view of Zipporah Kinya?
Once I introduced this motion to the members of the County Assembly, honorable members, my motion was supported by 49 members of the County Assembly out of the 69 members as per the law. And I believe the members agreed with me that there is need to move this motion in the County Assembly of Meru, honorable members.
Was there any type of inducement from any other quarters that perhaps may have triggered you to move this motion?
Absolutely none.
Just before we broke for lunch, there was a video that was played before the Senate. We asked that the same be played so we can comment on it. But before the video was played, was there public participation that was carried out?
Yes, honorable members, after I read a notice of motion on that 1st of July, last month, honorable members, there was a public participation that was done on 5th of August in the 45 wards of Meru County. And the public participation was very successful, honorable members, and it was both qualitative and quantitative.
When you speak about qualitative and quantitative, what do you mean?
The public participation, the public participation was successful, and it was qualitative because the residents of Meru County were given an opportunity to give their views both through written memorandums. They gave their views through attending the public participation in the gazetted venues, honorable members. And again, they were also given an opportunity even to send their views through electronic media, honorable members.
In the analysis of the public participation, in terms of percentage, how many were in support of the impeachment and how many were...
Sorry, Council for the County Assembly. Honorable members, kindly be seated and be silent. The County Assembly is presenting its case. Let's hear the witness in total silence. Proceed, Counsel.
I put a question to you, whether you did an analysis of how many members of the public were in support of the impeachment and how many were against the same.
Thank you. Honorable Speaker and honorable members, about 85% of the public participants presented oral and written memorandums in support of the motion to impeach the governor. That means 15% of the participants are the ones who opposed the motion to impeach the governor of Meru.
Is that evidence before the Senate? And if yes, kindly let us the same.
The evidence is here before the Senate, and it is in our documents, volume 5, public participation documents, volume 5.
That's the big volume, yes?
Yes.
Kindly point out the page.
Page 14.
Page 14. And perhaps before we play the video, when was the motion moved?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, the motion was moved on 8th of August 2024.
Were there events that occurred that preceded the debating of the motion? And if yes, would you kindly indicate them?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, before the motion was moved on 8th of August 2024, there were preceding events that preceded the debate of the motion. One of them, notably, the attempted arranging of the county assembly while the members were inside. Honorable Speaker and honorable members.
When you speak about attempts to lynch, what exactly happened? The senators were not present. They might want to understand the situation.
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, there was an attempt to lynch or to ban the county assembly of Meru at around 3 a.m. while the members were inside the county assembly. Honorable members.
How was that situation arrested and who arrested it?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, that situation was arrested by mainly our sergeants, and also because there was a lot of security personnel that was deployed during the night and even the previous night around the assembly. The security personnel also assisted much in putting out the fire.
Said that then the fire was lit? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, the fire was lit. Actually, it was a petrol bomb. It was a petrol bomb that was thrown on the roof of the county assembly from the Meru Rockouts. It was the Meru Rockouts borders the county assembly, and somebody climbing through the roof of the Meru Rockouts threw a petrol bomb on the assembly. And actually, honorable Speaker and honorable members, I was inside. I was unable even to wear my shoes to run out. I ran out barefoot. Wow. That night because the roof started burning and we couldn't see the fire. We couldn't see the fire from inside.
Okay, that's okay. What were you doing at the county assembly at 3 a.m.?
Honorable Speaker and members, we were in the county assembly because of security reasons. We were in the county assembly at that time because of security reasons. There were so many threats. There were so many threats on our lives, Honorable Speaker. And I would want even to report to this house that even my house, my own home was attempted. There was some fire that was thrown in my own house. So we were in very serious fear that we would not get to the assembly. And even there are some people who are threatened that they will break all the roads such that we don't get to the assembly.
Thank you. So do you have evidence of such kind of threats before this assembly? And if yes, would you wish us to play it?
The threats were given by some members of the public, and I believe we have some videos. We have some videos that can show that, including a video of attempted arsonists in my home.
So we play video 9, and as we prepare to play video 9 in the assembly bundles, whom do you attribute, or why were those threats? Where were they coming